Now, general entertainment channels have waged war this Diwali. For the first time in the history of reality television in India, two of the most expensive shows will be taking on each other at prime time. That's 9 p.m. Bigg Boss on Colors and KBC on Sony. The broadcasters are leaving no stone unturned to maximize eyeballs, so they've gone the whole hog when it comes to promotion and marketing. But sadly, viewership is bound to be impacted, with the eyeballs being split between the two shows. Advertisers are clearly edgy now, considering their heavy investment, but they are now left with no option but to play the wait and watch game. Does it then make sense for broadcasters to compete with each other, almost putting at stake their most expensive property? Or should they have collaborated? Samriti Grover gets you that high-octane story.
The 9 p.m. primetime slot will be the new playground for fireworks this Diwali.
आपका वक्त कैसे बदलेगा? याद रहे इस बार अंदर बाजार भर रहा 9 बजे बिग बॉस सोचने वाली बात है.
Sony's Kaun Banega Crorepati will lock horns with Bigg Boss on Colors.
लोगों के कितने पास आते हैं?
अकबर के पिता का नाम क्या?
And for the first time in the history of reality programming, two big-ticket properties will take each other head-on. The war has been waged and both broadcasters are equipped with the state-of-the-art ammunition to win this one. But is this war necessary at all?
I think in a way it is also sad that they're both clashing at the same time, because instead of actually being able to accumulate and garner, more audiences, they're actually fragmenting the audiences and fragmenting the ratings. So I'm assuming that both of them are going to be actually not get the ratings that the potential deserves because of this clash of both of them competing with the same time.
I think everybody's just, afraid to exercise it. And then they just put both the shows together, and finally I think everybody loses out, because it is actually possible to have better ratings for both the shows, which gets a better yield to the client, to the advertiser, to it allows audiences to watch both, because if there are two big shows and both of them are going to be interesting, I mean, you would want to watch both. So why is it that I need to keep shifting from one to the other? It just frankly makes no sense beyond the channel wanting to, gather a amount of GRPs and say, I'm number one.
Betting big on its newly acquired property, Sony is expected to rake in revenues close to 110 crores from the title and associate sponsorship. Colors, on the other hand, expects advertising revenues to the tune of 125 crores from Bigg Boss. Interestingly, Sony's decided to trim KBC's longevity to almost half, from 53 to 36 episodes, making it one-third the duration of Bigg Boss. This makes Sony's KBC a tad more expensive than its rival and hence is under even more pressure to win the TRP battle.
चुलबुल पांडे बन के जो किया ना, उस टाइप के हम लोग हैं.
Add to that, the Bigg Boss host Chulbul Pandey, who's riding high on the back of his latest blockbuster Dabangg,
हम यहाँ के रॉबिन हुड हैं, रॉबिन हुड पांडे,
will give even the suave Big Bachchan a run for his money.
उसे मैं अमिताभ बच्चन विनम्रता पूर्वक प्रणाम, नमस्कार, आदाब और सत श्री अकाल करता हूँ. Welcome.
Garnering the highest ever ratings this season, Bigg Boss 4 clocked a whopping 6 TVR, beating even Big B's record on Bigg Boss. Given the evidence, KBC clearly has a mammoth of a task ahead. But the Sony management is confident and unperturbed.
Even last year, Bigg Boss, the average ratings are still 3, 3.5, 4. I mean, it's not that he's doing a 8, 10 rating day after day. Even when Mr. Bachchan was hosting it last year, he just managed a garner rating of 3, 3.5. So it's not that it's a big high-impact show in that sense. And we saw what happened to a big launch show like Khatron Ka Khiladi, but didn't do well at all this year, despite all the hype, despite a new host, despite Priyanka being there. So, what's really coming out is that the Indian audience is looking for new all the time, something new all the time. And it's not necessarily that a successful format will work the next year. Bigg Boss is a more adult kind of a format, which I personally believe is 9 o'clock is not the slot for it. It should be later at about 10, 10:30 or whatever. Because of, India is still a one television viewing and a family viewing, and with the kind of controversy which is going through currently, there's a limited audience which will come in.
Well, too early to punt on which one, if at all, will emerge victorious. But the larger repercussions of dilution of ratings would be facing the advertisers' wrath.
Let's play Kaun Banega Crorepati.
If either of the shows do not deliver on their contractual commitments, advertisers will leave no stone unturned to renegotiate and bring down their rates.
It's very important that the program gets the eyeballs that it does, and we're sure that it will because it's been a successful format. I guess there's always a risk in putting your money behind a really large ticket item like Bigg Boss, and I guess it's a risk that we're prepared for.
At the current stage, this is a gamble that one takes. Okay, so we've taken that gamble, so we have no one to blame but ourselves. Obviously, our future negotiations with the channels will start getting affected if we find that because of this head-to-head kind of a contest, we didn't get enough value for money. So next year onwards, we'll definitely like to see whether the channels have a proper, kind of arrangement in terms of, prime time kind of blocking. And we'll go by the numbers. I mean, the numbers are there for everyone to see. So if the same thing is going to happen next year, then one or the other channel will have to, bend a little more than compared to the advertiser.
For a sponsor, if one wins big time and one loses big time, it'll be a bloodbath.
Just like Bollywood has learnt to collaborate and not collide to ensure each one gets their fair share of moolah, GECs need to take a cue from them to ensure the same. Unless at the end of 2 months the total television universe has actually expanded, not only helping Sony and Colors, but the entire GEC genre.
I don't think that's going to happen because it's a very competitive industry, and why not? I mean, everybody is going to. Like I said, this is the big time, and most advertiser money is on the table for you to take. So you'll always showcase a big property. Some will succeed, some will not succeed. So I think each channel will take its own call. But I don't think we're ever going to reach a situation where we'll sit down together and decide the FPC. No, that's not going to happen.
Whether it's the notorious mannerisms of Salman Khan on Bigg Boss, or the dignified yet entertaining Amitabh Bachchan on KBC.
Let's play Kaun Banega Crorepati.
Dilution of ratings is almost inevitable. With close to 200 crores riding on both these shows cumulatively, both Sony and Colors have invited trouble. It's about time that broadcasters take the advertisers' money more seriously. Otherwise, sooner than later, performance-based remuneration will become the diktat.